fall in love with the festively flowered cardigan. That's what I wrote on my card.
A Cardi party.
A Cardi party begins. This is customer top rated. More just arrived. This, we have a new color this year. It is our light navy. The price goes up at the end of the show. That is all the business I need to say. $59.98 is the price. 3 easy payments of $19.99 gets this home. Length on this is 26.5 inches to 30 3/4 of an inch. Extra, extra small through 3X are your sizes. This is our French blue. I love this because you were getting the floral designs in this cardigan, but you were also getting those great pops of neon colors.
Yes, really fun. And then a dye to match, or you know, tonal, really pretty snap sparkle there. So you can see that. Okay.
Then we have our black option, which you're getting those great florals with, but it pops so differently on each one. It really does. Then we have our light navy. This is our new color this year with those tonal sparkle buttons.
You see that has a little blue.
I mean, they almost look like gemstones.
Yes, yes, they do.
And then last but not least, our orchid. This is our most limited, I'm sorry to say, 80 remain.
Oh boy.
So if you want this, pick up the phone, call 800-500-7590 because when it's gone, it's gone. It's customer top rated, more just arrived.
Yes.
It is not easy to be customer top rated here at QVC.
It's not, because women like to give their opinion, right? I know I do. I know I do very much. So, you know, and thank you for taking the time out of your very busy schedule to go and to let us know what you like and what you don't like, because frankly, we've learned from that too.
Yeah.
You know, because we want to do better, and you don't get to stay at QVC for 30 years if you're not listening to your customers and continuing to bring things that you like. So I was super excited when we were able to bring this in as, we call it a reorder, right? And with that new color, because you loved it so much. A long sleeve 100% cotton cardigan that is, you know, light. I do this so you can see that it's not stiff. Beautifully done. I wore it earlier today with the tank top and the pants that I'm wearing right now, just because I just thought that was something really, really elegant. But one of the things that we get from our customer, one of the requests we get, John, is I need something I can wear to the office. Okay, so once again, like the top we presented earlier with that beautiful print, this is that item that you can wear from work to worship, to Mother's Day brunch, to that high tea, to just going out with meeting your girlfriends for, you know, a coffee or something. You know, maybe you get a little chilly. Maybe you have that tank dress that's in your closet that you got at an incredible deal, but you won't wear it because you don't want to show your upper arms.
This is the solution.
This is that solution. Absolutely. So just think about that. You have that beautiful print. The colors, the florals are all printed on. And we like the 100% cotton because it really holds the color really, really well on these. And then you have those snap buttons, which we love a snap. I was telling Pat earlier.
Are great. I'm over here playing with the snap buttons
please,
because I'm like, I think they are just the perfect solution.
They are. If you have dexterity issues, or, you know, my husband, when he gets dressed up for us to go out, here, do my sleeve. So I have you ever, I know you have because you're a dude. Like,
the men's buttons are torturous.
They are minuscule, right? So I need not only my glasses, but then I have my fingernails and I have man hands. So I'm like trying to get these little itty bitty teeny tiny buttons. And finally, eventually I do, after I wipe the sweat from my brow and let him know that it's okay to be dressed now. You know, so you like the snaps, honey, too? Yeah, I got
Everyone
it.
the live studio audience here is in love with the snaps. But
snapping.
Snaps for the snaps. All you have to do is decide which color brings you the most joy, whether it is this is our orchid.
Super limited.
Super limited. Do not wait. Peer to peer, friend to friend.
Yep.
Do not wait. Then we have your French blue. That is that gorgeous pop of blue that this is like an ocean to me. Yeah. Like you are in the Caribbean.
Oh yeah.
Then
that'd be great with white.
Oh yes.
Let me steal that.
Yep, go for it. Then we've got the black. A little elegant take on this.
Yes.
This is something that, you know, you could wear with those white pants as well.
Yeah, pencil skirt to the office.
Yes.
Little kitten heel.
Then we have our light navy. This is new. Do not wait on this. These are all, I want to confirm I'm right, more just arrived, and when they're gone, they're gone. It is customer top rated. That is not easy to do. You pick whether you want that light navy, whether you want the black, the orchid, which is super limited, and then we have our gorgeous French blue. Yes. Length on this is 26.5 inches to 30 3/4. Machine wash, dry flat?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Extra, extra small through 3X are those sizes. I have to say, Angel, cardigans obviously are a staple.
Yes.
They never go out of style.
True.
But they are having a huge moment in fashion right now.
Absolutely.
I went to a friend's opening night on Broadway a few months ago, and instead of a jacket, like a sport jacket, I wore a cardigan.
Nice.
And you're seeing them everywhere.
Everywhere.
And you don't see them with this great detail and intricate joy built into it. This is something that you can bring to the office, like Angel said, leave on the back of that chair.
Yep.
And you instantly have something you can always throw on that looks elevated, that brings that joy, that has the detail, but is super comfortable because it is 100% cotton.
And you can wear this over a white collared blouse if you want to, over a tank top, over a t-shirt, a really pretty charmeuse blouse, something that's silky and beautiful. You wear this over it. Again, perfect for work, worship, out or going out.
Yes.
It's really lovely.
One of our friends upstairs said this would be perfect for Easter.
Yes.
If you celebrate Easter, you have that Easter
Yes.
brunch. This is that wow moment, Mother's Day. If you were looking for a Mother's Day gift, or you maybe have sisters and you want to get something for everyone,
I love it.
pick up one in each color, the one that screams the personality of that person, whether it is the French blue, our very limited orchid, the black, or that new light navy. Customer top rated, more just arrived, and the price goes up at the end of the show. A lot of these items are all new, and the prices go away at the end of the show because it is National Quacker Day. 30 years ago, Gene Bice came to us at QVC. 15 years ago, the one and only Angel Smedley joined the Quacker team. And